Everyone. Today we are going to learn about Linux tutorial. So in this series we are going to learn Linux command in very simple and practical way. Linux is widely used in a cyber security, ethical hacking, cloud computing and server management. So if you want to build a career in IT or cyber security, learning Linux is a very important. So first we are understanding what is a Linux. So Linux is an open source operating system. Unlike Windows, Linux gives user more control over the system. Most servers in cybersecurity tools works on Linux because it is secure, lightweight and powerful. You may have heard names like Ubuntu, Kali Linux, CentOS or Debian. These are a different version of a Linux command called distribution or distros. So let's open the terminal and practice some commands. So you can use control plus alt plus T and you can directly open from here. Click so this is the open. So I click here and this is the terminal of Kali. So here we are practice some commands of Linux. You can minimize and maximize from here. So firstly we are running command here is a pwd command. A pwd command, here you write pwd. Command stand for present working directory, means we are a current in which directory we work. So write pwd and enter. So here we are working. This is the answer /home/kali. This is the present directory of mine. You can also practice this command. And pwd command, if the output shows /home/user, that means we are inside the home directory of the user. Next command is ls command. So ls is the list of all files and folders available in current directory. So write the ls and enter the code. So here is the all list of the directory is a desktop, document, download, music, picture, public templates, etc. etc. So ls dash is to show the detail of the information. So ls dash sorry, this is not working. I think I'm enter the wrong command. So move the next command is a cd. Cd is a change directory. So here I enter and change the directory. It is used to move between folders, and cd dot move back the one directory, and cd tilde is called like this. One second. Yeah. Okay, sorry, this is not working here. Yeah, this is the tilde command. So to take us the directly in the home directory, if you are press cd enter is directly you can reach to the home directory. Okay, so